Have you ever stopped to think about how connected our world has become? We've gone beyond the realms of mere mobile phones and computers. Today, everyday objects from your refrigerator to your wristwatch, even your car, are all part of this intricate web of interconnectedness. This is where the concept of the Internet of Things, or IoT, comes into play. Picture this: a network of physical objects, each equipped with sensors, software, and other technologies. These aren't just any objects, they're your daily tools, your appliances, your gadgets. They're embedded with the capability to connect and exchange data, not just with you, but with other devices and systems over the internet. It's like having a conversation where your coffee maker can tell your alarm clock that you're up, or your car can inform your thermostat that you're on your way home. In essence, the IoT makes our physical world a type of information system. Now, you might be wondering, how does this affect me? Well, let's take a walk through your day. Imagine waking up to your smart alarm clock that has already adjusted your wake-up time based on your sleep cycle. As you rise, your smart coffee maker gets a notification and starts brewing your morning joe. This is the Internet of Things in action, streamlining your morning routine before you've even stepped out of bed. But it doesn't stop there. As you leave for work, your smart home system adjusts the temperature, turns off unnecessary lights, and locks your doors, all without you lifting a finger. On your commute, your smart car is constantly communicating with other vehicles and traffic systems to optimize your route and keep you safe. And speaking of safety, wearable IoT devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches are not just counting your steps or sending you notifications. They're collecting invaluable health data, tracking heart rates, sleep patterns, and even detecting potential health issues before they become serious. At work, IoT tech is revolutionizing industries. From agriculture, where smart sensors monitor soil conditions and automate irrigation, to factories where connected machinery optimizes production and reduces downtime, the IoT is making our work more efficient and our world more sustainable. But what about after work? Well, your smart fridge can suggest recipes based on what you have, order groceries when you're running low, and even remind you when your food is about to expire. And when you're ready to wind down, your smart TV can recommend shows based on your preferences and viewing history. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Cities around the world are becoming smart, using IoT devices to manage everything from traffic and waste management to energy use and emergency services. The Internet of Things is creating an interconnected ecosystem where data is shared and used to make our lives more convenient, efficient, and informed. It's automating the mundane, giving us insights we never had before, and fundamentally changing the way we live. So, whether you're aware of it or not, the Internet of Things is likely already a part of your daily life. So, what does the future hold for the Internet of Things? Picture a world where everything from your coffee maker to your car, your watch to your washing machine is interconnected. This is the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT, and it's not as far off as you might think. It is predicted that by the end of this decade, there could be more than 50 billion devices connected through IoT. This growth will have a profound impact on a multitude of industries. In healthcare, for example, IoT could allow doctors to monitor patients remotely, leading to more personalized care. In agriculture, connected devices could provide farmers with real-time data about their crops, increasing efficiency and yield. Even in our homes, smart devices could automate tasks, freeing up more of our time for the things we love. But with these benefits come potential challenges. One of the biggest is security. With so many devices connected, the risk of cyber attacks increases exponentially. Privacy is another concern. As more of our daily activities are tracked and recorded, how can we ensure our personal data remains secure? There's also the issue of interoperability. With so many different devices and manufacturers, how can we ensure they all work together seamlessly? Standardization will be key to overcoming this hurdle. And then there's the question of the digital divide. As IoT becomes more prevalent, we must ensure that access to this technology is equitable and not just a luxury for the few. Despite these challenges, the future of IoT holds immense promise. The potential benefits, from improved efficiency to enhanced quality of life, far outweigh the potential drawbacks, but it will require careful planning, stringent security measures, and thoughtful regulation to ensure that everyone can reap the benefits of this interconnected world. As we move forward, the Internet of Things promises to make our world more connected than ever before, bringing new opportunities and challenges along the way.